hard to lose this feeling, trying so hard to help myself, more avoiding by the second, and it's weighing on my health. If I knew I could be new, I could see through the walls around me, 'cause I built them too. I don't want to be a villain, but I'm scared I'm on the way. I sour my sweetness, I'm too far gone to ever stay. Living in the thoughts that plague me, and I still fill up my mind. Why do I end up so cruel to me when I try to be kind? If I knew I could be new, I could see through